subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this question, the given function is continuous at x equal to 0 and we have to find f of 0. As compared to previous problem, this question is quite simple. The question is, if f of x is equal to 4 raised x minus 2 raised x plus 1 totally divided by 1 minus cos x, comma, for x not equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0, comma, find f of 0. Solution. Here given f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, by using definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to f0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0. Now x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. And at time f of x is defined as 4 raised x minus 2 raised x plus 1 and totally divided by 1 minus cos x. That equal to f of 0. Now here 4 raised x can be written as 2 raised x the whole square minus, now 2 raised x plus 1 can be split as 2 raised 1 into 2 raised x plus 1 we write as it is upon. Now for 1 minus cos x we use Trigo formula and that gives us 2 sine square in bracket x by 2 and that equal to finally f of 0, which is our question. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0. In the numerator we write 2 raised x the whole square minus 2 into 2 raised x into 1 and plus that 1 can be written as 1 the whole square upon 2 sine square x by 2 in the denominator and is equal to f of 0. Now here the numerator is of the type a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So which gives us a minus b the whole square. So therefore limit x tends to 0. The numerator here we gives us 2 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon 2 into sine square x by 2 is equal to f of 0. Now here we use two rules of limits. The first rule is limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1 And the second rule is limit extends to 0, a raise x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a. So in present case, we write limit extends to 0, 2 raise x minus 1 upon x whole bracket square upon limit extends to 0, we write 2 constant term, so it is outside the limit. Then sine square x by 2 upon x square in the denominator, and that equal to f of 0. So here we divide numerator and denominator by x square. Therefore, in the numerator we get log of 2 whole bracket square upon 2 into, in the denominator we rearrange the given limit as limit extends to 0, sine square x by 2 upon x by 2 the whole square in the denominator and into x by 2 the whole square upon original term, that is x square, and that equal to f of 0. It means here we multiply numerator and denominator by x by 2 the whole square. So the next step will be we get log of 2 the whole square in the numerator upon 2 into 1 the whole square in the denominator into, now here we cancel x square from numerator denominator, so we left with only 1 by 2 the whole square, and which gives us 1 by 4, and that equal to f of 0. Now here we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So on simplifying further, we have log of 2 the whole square upon 1 by 2, and that equal to f of 0. Therefore, this 1 by 2, if we take in numerator, so it becomes simply 2. So therefore, f of 0 is equal to 2 times log of 2 the whole square. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.